we're going to go ahead and check out Justin's shop next. And Justin's got Press, Virginia. And you're welcome, Leslie. So let's see here. Press, Virginia, thank you so much for visiting. We have a variety of homegrown Appalachian apparel, the Appalachian Trail. I was looking at that last night, thinking of trying to convince some of my friends to go out there and go camping in the Appalachian Trail, but they all want to go to Montana, which is much farther away, much, much, much farther away. So let's see what you got here. We got all these nice looking t-shirts. Let's see here. Southpaw, boxer shirt, fight shirt for men, training shirt. All right, Southpaw. Now, one issue here. In this photo, it looks a lot larger than it does here. This one looks real small. And this one, it looks a little bigger and closer to the collar. On this image, it looks, yeah, this one, the gloves are wider than the collar. And then this one, it's just a bit. So you're going to want to make sure that your sizing is the same on all your photos. I don't know if this is like the same company, but I saw the exact same mistake on somebody else's shop just like last week or so, where on the zoomed in one, it looks way bigger. So maybe it's the same drop shipping company, but you got to get those photos in the right sizing. So we've got Press. Let's see what this one. Press, Virginia, Appalachian Apparel. Press, Virginia. Press, Virginia. So this is your logo. By wearing the logo, we are proud to serve you, always by wearing our products. So let's see. What does it cost? We got sport gray, $11.61. Looks pretty good. It looks like a nice product. Mountain climbing, mountain ski, Press, Virginia. Yeah, I mean, these are all right. These keywords up here. I guess this is your logo shirt, so it's going to be tough for people to buy your logo unless they really know you. So I would maybe just use the keyword Press, Virginia, in case somebody wants to search up and buy your shirt. That's what they're looking up. If I was going to buy a shirt with a brand name on it, I would search the brand name and then search shirt, Nike shirt or something like that. Game happy veteran. So here we go. We got a gamer shirt, video game shirt for boys, kids video game shirt, kid gaming shirt. Okay, good keywords there. So what's going to be the big winner for you is finding out what people like that you can design. That's really where you're at with your shop here. You're creating designs, you're putting them out there, and you're trying to see if people think your designs are catchy or funny or this or that. Like this one right here, I'll be right back. Very clever. But you got to put a lot of those out there to find out which ones win. And that's really what's going to take your shop and make it a winner. It's just testing lots and lots of designs until you find designs that are winners. And I'll tell you, it's important that they're easy to see, from the search results. And you want to get one of, whichever image you're using on the search results, you want it to be visible and understandable from the search results. This one right here, Mucho Nacho, I can understand what this is just from this view. Now, I wish it was cropped over a little bit more in the center and then I'd be able to see it a lot better, but I can still understand what it is. This design, I don't know what this is. It's way too small from the search results. And I probably wouldn't click on it. This one, how about them or something? I can kind of make it out. This one I can make out pretty good. Veteran, U.S. supporter. This one I can make out great. But all of these designs, you need to make it out so that they can see it from the search results. This one, I cannot see it. I don't know what that is. It's way too small. Same with that one. This one I can see is a stereo, but it's hard to see. So it's really important to make your designs easy to see. Whichever thumbnail image you use, you want to make sure that it's easy to see on the search results page. And let's see, we got one sale here. Was this the one I was looking at yesterday? I swear I was just looking at this shirt. I was looking at this shirt. We were looking at this shirt on Wednesday. It looks like somebody bought it. Awesome. We got the baking shirt. So like the shop, Justin, I think you're off to a good start. I'm glad you got that sale on the cupcake shirt. Looks like you changed the keywords too, which is good. Keep putting a lot of items out there and test and find out which one's going to be winners. Make sure your designs are easy to see, and just produce a lot of designs. You're going to have to produce a lot of designs to find the winners. And when you find those winners, that's a great day, because then you can sell a lot of the winner. You'll find, just like we were looking at that last shop with the crochet, the crochet Afghan baby blanket pattern is the winner. It's doing the majority of the sales, and you've got to put items into your shop, people, to find out which ones are winner. Okay. Johanna, when you say that you need to test different designs until you find a winner, how many designs should you test? 10, 50, 100, 500? I mean, it's kind of just a thing that goes ongoingly. You just keep going. The bigger your shop gets and the more sales that you want to make, the more you're going to be publishing new designs. So it's good to aim for like a goal per month of how many new designs and new products you want to put into your shop every single month to test out. Because let's say, if for my shop, I put about 1,500 items into my shop. That's how many listings I created, how many different products I created. And today we've got about 128 that are left. So only about 10%. And once you find the winners, you can make a lot of sales on the winners. So what I recommend is try to get 10 new designs into your shop, 10 new listings into your shop every month. Or if you can do more, some items obviously take a lot more work to build. But if you can do more, some people might be able to do 10 new items a week. Something like these shirts, these are, this is a design, and you're putting the design on an image. So it's not going to take a super long amount of time to make this. Whereas if, we were looking at the shop where she was making jewelry, it's going to take Leslie a lot more time to make a new pair of earrings and shoot a photo of it than it's going to take Justin here to create a new design and to put it on a t-shirt. So depending on what it is, just make a lot of stuff and aim to make new items every single month. And you just keep doing that. You keep putting stuff out there. And the more items you put into your shop, the better you get at it, the better you understand what's a winner. How do you find out what the winners are? You go back to your sales and you look at what's selling. And there's been a lot of items I put into my shop that I thought were really cool, but nobody really liked it. Nobody really bought it. If I was looking at your shop here, Justin, I think some of these are more winner than others. Like this one here. How about them Ers? Maybe this is a specific. Okay, so this is the West Virginia Mountaineers. I think you should put the West Virginia Mountaineers on there so people know it's the West Virginia Mountaineers. Let's see. Unshaken. That one's all right. Let's see here. This one's space surfing. That's a lot more interesting to me. An astronaut surfing. I'm way more likely to buy a space surfing astronaut than a shirt that says Unshaken. So that's an example. It's hard to always be picking out the best, coolest products. But the more you design and the more you can create, the better it is going to be for you. Rob, it's not super important that you have a picture of yourself. I personally don't recommend having a blank photo. If it's not going to be your face, then it should be your logo or something like that. I recommend doing your face, because some people are going to pull into your shop here. And when you're brand new, especially, they are going to be less trusting. When you've got one sale and no photo, you're not, it just doesn't look as trustworthy. And I think people are going to be less likely to make a purchase on a shop like that. So I really recommend using your face. Next best option is your logo, and then definitely don't have just the blank profile photo, because that's not very good.